All right, let's get straight into it. This video is about how I got monetized, how long it took, and how much I got paid my first month being monetized. So let's get straight into it, and I'm gonna break it down for y'all. Okay, what's going on, guys? All right, so this is my YouTube channel. I have 148 videos, and I started my YouTube in late 2020. So it's been a while since I've got monetized personally. I know people who've gotten monetized a lot earlier, just much quicker. But for me, it took a while. So let's get straight into it. If you go to my analytics, this is my subscribers in the last 365. I think you need 3,000 subscribers now to get monetized, and then 4,000 hours of watch time. So I did have 3,000 subscribers for a little while, but my watch time was lacking. So that was one of my biggest challenges. But early 2024, I started getting consistent more often. I started uploading a lot more videos, and just the consistency helped me out. So as you can see right here, I had one video that performed very well, and then it went kind of viral. So I went from I think I had like no, I had 20. I think I had like 2,400 subscribers, and then in 1 month I went from 2,400 to around 4,000 subscribers, and then shortly after I got monetized. So so the content that I've been making, right, anywhere from day trading to basically routines, day in the life, morning routines, a little bit of tech review. So just kind of all over the place, right? I didn't really have any videos that were consistently getting traction. So I was sort of split testing and seeing and just seeing what works. You know what I mean? So as you can tell right here, this video, this is the one that went semi-viral, over 70,000 views now. And you can see right here that I have the little dollar signs because I'm monetized now. So I'm in year 2023, and these are my metrics for that year. I had around 37,000 views. I only had 826 hours of watch time. And the whole year of 2023, I only got 69 subscribers, right? So definitely wasn't monetized yet. I think I still had like around 2,000 subscribers, give or take. So just wasn't really feeling motivated. And these are some of the videos that I came out with. Lots of shorts, um, and just all sorts of stuff, just all over the place. Okay, so let's fast forward to 2024 now. You can see that I was still a little bit slow with the videos, and then all of a sudden I was like, you know what? Let me be consistent. Let me focus on some more long-term content. And one of my videos went semi-viral. So let's start off with the amount of views that I got. I have accumulated 118,000 views. I got over 4,300 watch time hours. And then for 2024, I got 1,800 new subscribers. Okay. So this year was much better than last. And last but not least, just the amount of videos that I came out with have been a little bit more themed, right? So you can see that I have more of a theme with my YouTube channel. So morning routines, a little bit of fashion, morning routine. This is more of a vlog, again, morning routine. So I was very consistent, a little bit of fashion again, and then a little bit of tech. But the main theme was just kind of the day in my life, and just really focusing on the routine stuff since people seem to like it. Not too many shorts for 2024, so I focused on long form videos. So most of my videos were long form, as you can tell, and you can see that I had a lot more. Okay, so last but not least, this is the month that I actually got monetized. So I'm going to break down a few metrics, and then we'll get straight into how much I made for the month of June. Really exciting stuff. So I got a total of almost 21,000 views, around 714 hours of watch time, and then I added 240 subscribers just in 1 month. Okay, and down here you can see that every day I'm making a couple of dollars, and the month of June 24th was my biggest day for basically revenue. And then down here you're going to see like little play buttons, and those are essentially just videos that I released in the month of June. So I released 5 videos, and drum roll. So for the month of June, I made $45.12 doing what I do, right? For about 3 years, I didn't make any money. And for the month of June, I made $45. So if we fast forward to the month of July, I made $27. And then for the month of August, I'm around $4.80. And the main reason is because I haven't released any videos. So, the views have significantly slowed down. But if you go to the overall last 90 days, I've made $77 so far, right? And in the last 90 days, I've gotten, more subscribers. So my subscriber count is growing tremendously fast. But as you can tell, everything has slowed down since I took a break. Okay, so now if you see the revenue tab, you can actually see what video performed the best, right? So in the last 90 days, surprisingly enough, my viral video has only generated $11.25. But this video, which was a Thread Beast review, has generated around $40. So this is majority of my revenue, right? So now I'm in the mindset of, okay, if people are really liking the Thread Beast review, maybe I should do more. So hopefully this video will, get a lot of support. I really love the idea of passive income. I like sharing everything I know, whether it's day trading, whether it's YouTube, making money online, and then obviously like fashion blogging. So I'll continue to share more of my successes. I'll share what's working for me. But I think what really helped me get to the next level was, sticking to a theme, being a little bit more consistent, and just really upping my production value when it comes to editing videos. So, I use CapCut. It's a free app and it's amazing. But those that are, curious, maybe feeling like they need a little bit of hope, or maybe, you feel like you're giving up and you feel like it's just like super far away. I was under the impression I wouldn't get monetized for another year and a half, just at my pace. And then one video took off, and I hit my watch time hours. So it's definitely possible. And now that I have revenue, I have more of a purpose, because now each video there's actual real intrinsic value to it. So that's all I got. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon.